Okay, students. So whoever didn't apply, so please apply. 16th March is the last date for the application for TSRJC. And now we will start the session. Welcome to free online coaching for TSRJC CET 2024. I would like to invite Arun sir to take the session.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, students. Welcome to the session. And today we're going to do yet another chapter from physics, that is current electricity. All right. But before we begin, I would like to make a suggestion. మీరు కొంతమంది రాయలేదు ఎగ్జామ్ లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ రాద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు సండే అయిన ఎగ్జామ్లో ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ అటెంప్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఈసారి మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పక్కన పెట్టుకొని రాయొచ్చు, రివైజ్ ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేసుకుంటూ రాయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే రివైజ్ చేసుకొని రాయండి. దట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీస్, దట్స్ గుడ్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. సో ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి, నష్టం ఏం లేదు. ఇట్స్ గుడ్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీస్, మీకే బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐ సజెస్ట్ దట్ యు మేక్ అన్ అటెంప్ట్ అగైన్. All right, students. All right, let's begin with the topic. Here is the first question. Today, చాలా questions definition based ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని 2 or 3 tricky problems కూడా ఉన్నాయి. మనం కలిసి చూద్దాము. Okay, let's look at the first question. Are you all ready? All right, here is the question. Joule per coulomb is same as 1 watt, 1 volt, 1 ampere, 1 ohm. All right, Vaishali says 2. Other students are still joining. Student, please make an attempt in the chat box. All right, Yashaswini says 2, sir. Jyoti says 2. All right. Sangeeta says 2. Saitija says 2. There is yet another number. I don't know the name, but Sangeeta says 2. Varsha says 2. How about others? Please make an attempt, students. These are definition based questions, easy questions ఉన్నాయి. Problems to కొంచెం మంచి problems కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసి పెట్టాము. All right, Abhigna says 2. Sidhu says 2. Haima says 2. All right, everyone is pretty confident about 2. Let's look at the answer. Absolutely right, students. Everyone is absolutely right. I really appreciate, very good beginning. బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. Let's look at the next question, students. Here is the next question. The current in the wire depends only on the potential difference applied, only on the resistance of the wire, on both of them, on none of them. Read all the options and answer carefully, students. Oh, I'm getting 3. Jyoti says 2, only on the resistance of the wire. Yashaswini says 3. Jagan Mohan says 3. Saiteja says 2. Does it not depend on potential difference applied? Think about it, students. Sir, ఆలోచించి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి, లేకపోతే రిఫర్ చేయండి, నోట్స్ రిఫర్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రిఫర్ చేయండి. దట్స్ ఓకే, అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఓకే. తప్పెలినా ఓకే. ఆల్ రైట్, మేక్ అన్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆల్ రైట్, Abhigna says option 3. Let's look at the answer. Absolutely right, students. Option 3 is absolutely right. Very good. Excellent. Your concepts are good. Let's go for the next question. Consider the following statements. Statement A. In series connection, the same current flows through each element. B. In parallel connection, the same potential difference gets applied across each element. Options are both A and B are correct. A is correct, but B is wrong. A is wrong, but B is correct. Both A and B are wrong. So your concept about series and parallel connection is tested here. Series parallel connection గురించి అడుగుతున్నాడు. Oh, Sidhu says 1, Vaishali says 1, Abhigna says 1, Varsha says 1. Saiteja says 1. Excellent, students. Your concepts are really good. That's what I have seen. మీరు ఐడియా బాగా వస్తుంది మీకు కొంచెం క్యాల్కులేషన్ లో పోతున్నాయి మిస్టేక్స్ పోతున్నాయి. దట్స్ ఓకే. తప్పైనా ఏం కాదు. ఇట్స్ ఓకే టు గో రాంగ్. కానీ అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. ఆల్ రైట్. కానీ అందరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు. వెరీ గుడ్. దోస్ హ్యావ్ గాన్ రాంగ్, దట్స్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఓకే. 1 or 2 have gone wrong. అది తప్పు వెళ్ళొచ్చు. నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఇది రివిజనే, ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషనే, ఎగ్జామ్ కాదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్ లో తప్పు వెళ్ళినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. తప్పు వెళ్ళినా అప్పుడే కరెక్షన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. ఆల్ రైట్. దట్స్ ఓకే టు బి రాంగ్. దట్స్ ఓకే. అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఓకే. Let's go for the answer. Both A and B are correct. But in this case, everyone has answered 1. Absolutely right, students. Let's go for the next question. Which of the following is correct in case of potential difference? Which of the following is correct in case of potential difference? Work by charge is potential difference. Work times charge, charge per unit work, both A and B. Sidhu says 1, Vaishali says 1, Uday Ganesh says 1. Oppo, name is not mentioned, but says 4, both A and B. Both 1 and 2, it means 1 and 2. Jagan Mohan says 1, Sangeeta says 1, Abhigna option 1. All right, good. Make an attempt, students. I want everyone to make an attempt. Under attempt cheyali. Every student is equally important. ఈ సెషన్ అందరి కోసం, ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కోసం బెనిఫిట్ కావాలి. ఓకే. కొంతమంది ఆన్సర్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ముంగట వెళ్ళిపోవడం కాదు. మీరు అందరు అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తేనే అందరికి బెనిఫిట్ అయితేనే మాకు సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. All right, let's go for the key. Work per unit charge is potential difference. Okay, definition based question. Excellent, students. Excellent. 1 is the absolute right answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. Read the following 2 statements and pick the correct answer. Semiconductors obey the Ohm's law. Option statement 2. Metallic conductors obey the Ohm's law. Option A is statement A is semiconductors obey Ohm's law. Statement B is metallic conductors obey Ohm's law. Options are only A is true, only B is true, both A and B are true, both A and B are false. Jyoti says both A and B are true. Semiconductors obey Ohm's law, metallic conductors obey Ohm's law. Semiconductors, do they obey Ohm's law? Metallic conductors, do they obey Ohm's law? Taruni says 2. Yashaswini says 2. Fatima says 2. Saiteja says 2. Jagan Mohan 3. Uday Ganesh says 2. Good. Vaishali says 2. Manish says 2. Shruti says 2. All right, let's look at the answer. Jyotsna also says 2. Absolutely right, students. 2 is absolutely right. Semiconductors do not obey Ohm's law, students. Okay, metallic conductors only obey Ohm's law. All right, akkada koncham tappayindi. That's okay, absolutely okay. Correct yourself. నేర్చుకోవడంలో తప్పేం లేదు కదా, నేర్చుకోండి. Okay, let's go for the next question. Work done in moving a unit positive charge across 2 points in an electric circuit is a measure of. Okay, charge ni between 2 points మనం move చేస్తే work done is called what? Is a measure of what? Current. PD means potential difference, resistance, power. Current, potential difference, resistance, power. Okay, I'm getting the options. Abhigna says 2, Yosna says 4, Sidhu says 2, Rajeshwari says 2, Saiteja says 2, Fatima says 2. 2. Jagan Mohan says 2, Yashaswini says 2. Ananta says 3, resistance. Work done. He's talking about the work done in moving a unit positive charge across 2 points in an electric circuit. Students, please mute yourself. All right. So the answer is potential difference. Definition-based question, students. What is potential difference? Work done in moving a unit positive charge across 2 points in an electric circuit is nothing but potential difference. Let's look at the next question, students. తప్పెళ్ళినా ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, తప్పెళ్ళినా ఓకే కానీ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. దట్స్ ఓకే టు బి రాంగ్, బట్ రైట్ యూర్ రాంగ్. The potential at the point is 10 volts. The work done in bringing a charge of 2 coulomb from infinity to this point will be 20 joules, 10 joules, 5 joules, 40 joules. The potential at a point is 10 volts. Okay, I'm getting answers. Saitija says 1, sir. Ananta says 3. Sarani says 1. From infinity to this point, 2 coulomb charge is చేస్తున్నారు. Infinity దగ్గర పొటెన్షియల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 0. Convention is 0. 3. Potential times charge is the work done in getting it from infinity to that particular point. All right. Option 3, Yashaswani says 1. Rajeshwari says 1. Okay. I want everyone to answer, students. Please answer. Make an attempt. తప్పు ఏం లేదు. Don't hesitate to make an attempt. All right. మీరు ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేసుకుని కూడా చేయొచ్చు. డెఫినేషన్ ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బుక్ ని రిఫర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Absolutely not a problem. Josna says 1. Let's look at the answer. 1 is absolutely right, students. 10 times 2 is 20 joules. Here, work done is potential times charge, which is 10 times 2 is 20 joules. Okay? Make a note of it. ఎక్కడెక్కడ తప్పు వెళ్తున్నారో అది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. రివైజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. రివైజ్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో వెళ్ళి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. రివిజన్లో తప్పు వెళ్ళినా absolutely okay, students. Let's look at the next question. A steady current of 0.4 milliamperes flows through a wire. How much charge passes through the wire in 1 minute? Current ఇచ్చాడు. Question లో current ఇచ్చారు. Charge అడుగుతున్నారు. Charge passes through the wire in 1 minute. 1 minute లో ఎంత charge pass అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నారు. 0.24 coulomb, 2.4 coulomb, 24 coulomb, 0.024 coulomb. Make an attempt, students. Yashaswini says 1, Taruni says 1, Josna says 1, Jyoti says 1, Taruni says 3, Rajeshwari says 4. Okay. Jagan Mohan 2, Shruti 1, Abhignav 3, option 3, Pranavi 1. Okay. What is the idea you're using? Current times time will give me charge, right? In 1 minute, how many seconds do you have in 1 minute? 60 seconds. So 0.4 into 60 will give me charge, but 0.4 you have got milliamperes. So I have to convert that into amperes. So 0.4 times 0.4 times 10 power minus 3 is the current. This times time, 60, is my charge that has flown in 1 minute. ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇది? ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఈ ఐడియా వచ్చే ఉంటుంది మీకు. But that's what you people are good in ideas and concepts. Calculation లో తప్పు వెళ్తున్నాయి, అది ఒకసారి కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. You have used the same idea, students? Type yes in the chat box if you have used the same idea. I'll write the formula again. Q is equal to I times T. Now calculate this. How will I calculate this? This is 0.4 into 60 into 10 power minus 3. What is 0.4 into 60? 24 into 10 power minus 3. Now that becomes 0.024 coulomb, which is fourth option. Okay, is it clear, students? మీరు ఒకసారి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ లో మీరు తప్పు వెళ్తున్నారు, అది మిస్టేక్స్ రెక్టిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. All right, let's go for the next question. All right, what R is the unit of electric power, electric energy, potential difference, electric current? What is the unit of electric power? But times into time. What R is the unit of electric power, electric energy, potential difference, electric current? Yashaswini says 1, Abhigna says 4, Fatima says 2. Jyotsna says 1, Pranavi says 2, Saiteja says 1, Pranavi says 2, Fatima says 2, Rajeshwari also says 2, Jyoti says electric power. Then what is the units of electric power, students? Watt, right? Watt is the unit of electric power. But what R is the unit of what? What is the unit of electric power? But you have got time as well, 1 hour. Okay, let's look at the answer, students. But I appreciate everyone is making an attempt. Very good, students, make an attempt. It's electric energy. Okay, remember this one. It's a definition based question. Definitions ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, ఈ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈజీ వచ్చేస్తాయి మీకు. Let's go for the next one, students. In series combination of resistors, make a note, in series combination of resistors, potential difference remains constant, current remains constant throughout the combination, current changes through the circuit, nothing can be said. Abhigna says option 2. Ananta says 2. Good. Go ahead, students. Make an attempt. Fatima says 1. Potential difference remains constant. In series combination, what remains constant is what is asking. Saiteja says 2. Pavana says 2. Jyotsna says 2. Tarini 2. Pavana 2. Shruti 2. Sankirtana 2. Jyoti 2. Okay. Varsha 2. Rajeshwari 2. The ones who have gone wrong, do you want to change your answer? Think and change your answer if at all you want to change your answer. Just a revision. Revision lo manam tappu vellochu. Absolutely okay. Tappu ellina okay. Jagan Mohan says 3. Current changes throughout the circuit. Yashaswini says 2. Sankirtana says 1. Okay, let's see the answer. Shall we see the answer, students? Here, in a series combination, ఇదొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, ఇది ఇంకొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది. ఏ కరెంట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది, సేమ్ కరెంట్ will pass through the other resistor. So current remains constant throughout the combination. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏ కరెంట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది through resistor 1, same current will pass through resistor 2. That's a specialty of series connection. Okay, but the potential difference will be different. Let's go for the next question, students. In an electric circuit, ammeter is always connected in series, parallel, either way, series sometimes and is parallel sometimes depending on the nature of the circuit. All right, I'm getting answers now. Vaishali says 1. Yashaswini says 1. Pavana says 2. Parallel, okay. Ananta says 4. Fatima says 1. Okay. Saitija says 1. Josna says 1. Manisha says 1. Abhigna says 1. Sidhu says 1. Pavana says 2. Okay. Absolutely not a problem, students. You please make an attempt. I request you all to make an attempt. Attempt చేస్తే మీకు భయం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఎగ్జామ్ లో. Okay. Haima says 1. Taruni says 1. Rajeshwari says 1. I want all the students to make an attempt, students. I want all the students to make an attempt. Attempt చేయండి, తప్పు ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే మీకు భయం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఎగ్జామ్ది భయం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఎగ్జామ్లో కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, Shruti says 1. Sukanya says 1. Okay, got it. Let's look at the answer. Yashu says 1. Jyoti says 1. Sukanya 1. Right? Is everyone done, students? Let's look at the answer. Absolutely right, students. The ones who have answered 1, absolutely right. Series connection. Ammeter is always connected in series. I'm telling you again and again, even if you go wrong, that's absolutely okay. Absolutely okay to go wrong, but correct yourself. Okay, it is just a revision class, revision session. All right, let's go for the next one, students. Okay, Rakesh has got a doubt. So these conceptual doubts, we are making another video on that. So we'll discuss those things again. We'll come back to this, Rakesh. As of now, you refer your textbook, but fundamental concepts, we are going to deal that in one session. As we have dealt optics, ray diagrams, similarly, we are going to deal all the fundamental concepts in one session. Okay. All right. Here is the next question. In current electricity, the particles moving are 2. Sukanya says 2. Yashu says 2. Vaishali says 2. Abhigna says option 2. Shruti says 2. Ananta says 2. Saiteja says 2. Confident. Good, students. Very good. Let's look at the answer. Absolutely right, students. Everyone is absolutely right. 2 is absolutely right, students. Rajeshwari, Varsha, Sukanya, Taruni, Rakesh, Jyoti, Saiteja, Ananta, Shruti. Everyone is absolutely right. Pranavi. Good. Confident. I appreciate your confidence. Look at this one, students. Here is a numerical. An electric heater uses 5 amperes when connected across 220 volts. Determine its resistance. Current icharu, potential difference icharu, resistance adtunnaru. So you will apply which equation? You will apply Ohm's law. Right? Oh, Sukanya is ready with the answer. Sukanya 4, Vaishali 4, Yashu 4, Fatima 4, Ananta 4. Good. Jyoti says 4, Yashaswini says 4. Sankirtana, Jyotsna, Rajeshwari, Taruni, Shruti, Varsha, all of you are answering 4. So which equation have you used? V is equal to IR, right? Okay, just a second. I would like to explain this problem. See, V is equal to I times R. This potential difference is given as 220 volts. Current is given as 5. R is required. So R is equal to 220 by 5. 5 fours, which is 44 ohms. Okay. here. That's the answer. Is it okay, Rakesh? The ones who had a problem, is it okay for you all? ఇప్పుడు okay now? We are going to do some video like optics లో ఎలా చేసాం రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ మీద అలానే ఫండమెంటల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద ఒక సెషన్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాము. అక్కడ మీ ఫండమెంటల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని ఒకసారి రివైజ్ అయిపోతాయి. ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కూడా అది క్లారిఫై అయిపోతాయి. All right, let's go for the next question, students. Here is the solution. V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I, R is equal to 220 by 5, which is 44 ohms. Ohm's law is valid for gaseous conductors, metal conductors, semiconductors, insulators. Okay. Ohm's law is valid for Vaishali says metal conductors, Abhigna says 2, Fatima says 3, Jagan Mohan says 2, Yashaswini 2, Jyoti 2, Sukanya 2, Jyotsna 2, Ananta 2, Sanketana 3, semiconductors. He is asking valid for what? Ohm's law is valid for ఇంతకు ముందు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చూసాం సెమీకండక్టర్స్ లో వ్యాలిడ్ లేకుండే ఓమ్స్ లా డజంట్ ఒబే ఓమ్స్ లా సెమీకండక్టర్ డజంట్ ఒబే ఓమ్స్ లా ఆల్ రైట్ సో నౌ థింక్ అగైన్ సో మెటల్ కండక్టర్స్ ఆర్ సెమీకండక్టర్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ మెటల్ కండక్టర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్ ద వన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్సర్ 2 ఇస్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్ 3 లో కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండే కొంతమందికి సో సెమీకండక్టర్స్ డు నాట్ ఒబే ఓమ్స్ లా ఆల్ రైట్ డు నాట్ okay let's go for the next one. Which of the following is used to prevent damages due to overloading to the household circuit? Which of the following is used to prevent damages due to overloading to the household circuit? Switch, fuse, resistance, semiconductor. Oh, two. Shruti says 2, Ananta says 2, Saiteja says 2, Haima says 2, sir. Fatima says 2, Uday Ganesh says 2. Excellent. Excellent, students. That's the right answer. That's the absolutely right answer. Let's go for the next question. 2 volts times 3 coulomb is equal to what? Is it 6 joules, 6 ohms, 6 amperes, 6 watt? Again, definition based question. Units గుర్తుంటే ఇది చేసుకోవచ్చు students. Sankirtana says 1, Ananta says 1, Fatima says 1, Vaishali says 1, Abhigna says 1, Taruni says 1, Sukanya says 1, Rajeshwari says 1, Varsha says 1, Jyoti says 1, Haima says 1, Manisha says 1. All right, excellent students. You have got absolutely no doubt in this. I appreciate your absolute confidence. 1, excellent, excellent students. Let's go to the next one. Here you will need pen and paper. 2 resistors of values x and x by 2 are connected in parallel combination. Their effective resistance is values of resistors ఇచ్చాడు x and x by 2. Effective resistance అడుగుతున్నాడు. Use pen and paper. Use pen and paper, students. Make an attempt. 4. Fatima says 4. Shruti says 4. Think. Parallel combination ఎలా చేస్తారు? 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. I'll write down the equation once. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. R1 ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? X. R2 ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? X by 2. ఎంత ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు? 1 by X plus 1 by X by 2, which is 2 by X. which is nothing but 3 by x. So R effective is 3 by x. 1 by R effective is 3 by x. Yeah, students are now getting the answer. Saitija says 1, Uday Ganesh says 1, Yashaswini says 1. The ones who have gone wrong, could you please make an attempt again and tell me the right answer? I'll give you 10 seconds. Yeah, Fatima says 1 now. Good. Josna says 1. All right, right. Vaishali says 1. Varsha says 1. Good. Let's go for the next one, students. Here, again, definition-based question. The quantity which has SI unit as coulomb is electric current, electric capacitance, electric charge, electric potential. Which of these is a unit of SI unit of coulomb? Sorry, SI unit is of coulomb. Which of these quantities has a unit coulomb as its SI unit? Archana says 3. Vaishali says 1. Electric current. Electric current ki amperes. Capacitance ki farad. అది ఇంకా చదవలేదు మీరు చదువుతారు. చార్జ్ కి పొటెన్షియల్ కి గుర్తు చేసుకోండి లేకపోతే రిఫర్ చేసుకోండి. అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. నాట్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లం. ఐ వాంట్ ఆల్ ది ఆన్సర్స్. అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ కావాలి నాకు. తప్పేలేనా నో ప్రాబ్లం స్టూడెంట్స్. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. ఐఎమ్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ యూ టు మేక్ అన్ అటెంప్ట్. No discouragement at all. Okay, let's look at the answer, students. It's electric charge. Unit of charge, SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of potential is volt. Students, for the volt only. Current the ampere only. So charge the coulomb only. All right, గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ SI యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ కూడా అడగవచ్చు. అప్పుడు ఆంపియర్స్ ఉంటుంది. పొటెన్షియల్ ది వోల్ట్స్ ఉంటుంది. కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఇంకా చదవలేదు మీరు. కెపాసిటెన్స్ ఫారడ్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ దట్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ది హైయర్ స్టాండర్డ్స్. All right, let's go for the next question, students. The potential difference in a circuit is 240 volts and the resistance is 60 ohms. Then the current flowing through the circuit is, same equation apply చేస్తారు. V is equal to IR. Use pen and paper and make an attempt. Tell me the answer. Archana says 4. Virat says 2. 300 amperes. Rajeshwari says 1. Haima says 4. Make an attempt. V is equal to IR, students. Here, it's 4 amperes, students. I'll show you how. V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R, which is excellent, students. You're all getting the right answer now. Because you have seen the right answer. That's why. 240 by 60. 4 ohms. Sorry, 4 amperes. Current is 4 amperes. This equation is very important, students. Ohm's law is very important for numericals. Oh, here is the solution. మీరు స్టూడెంట్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో వెళ్ళి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీకు అలర్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, రిమైండర్ వస్తుంది కొత్త వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేసినప్పుడు. ఇంకా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో మీరు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి లింక్ని. మీ క్లాస్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, స్కూల్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్లో ఈ లింక్ కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. సో దట్ అదర్స్ ఆల్సో విల్ గెట్ బెనిఫిటెడ్. అందరికీ బెనిఫిట్ కావాలి కదా స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్స్ వై ద మోర్ యూ సెండ్, ద మోర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ విల్ గెట్ బెనిఫిటెడ్. All right, let's look at this question now. If 5 ohms, 10 ohms and 15 ohms are connected in series, then the resultant resistance R is. Okay, answers please. Sukanya says 1. Pranavi says 1. Jyoti says 1. Jyotsna says 1. Saiteja says 1. Sankirtana says 1. Vivo, Taruni, Abhigna, option 1. Taruni says 2. Okay. Calculate again, Taruni. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చే ఉంటుంది. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ తప్పు వెళ్తుంది. Rakesh says 1. Shruti says 1. Chaitanya says 1. Spandana says 1. All right. Let's look at the answer, students. It's absolutely right. 1 is absolutely right. 5 plus 10 plus 15. That is 15 plus 15. That's 30. 30 ohms, students, because it's in series. Series to R effective is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let's look at the next one. Which of the following is correct regarding electricity? P is equal to V square by R. P is equal to I square by R. P is equal to V square R. P is equal to VIR. Okay, option 1. Pranavi says 1. Fatima says 1. Jyoti says 1. Gayatri, Jyotsna. Gayatri says 4. Okay. Good. 1. Shruti says 1. Yashasvi says 1. 1. Make an attempt, students. Make an attempt. Tappelena, no problem. Abhijna says 4. Okay. Saiteja says 1. Okay. Uday Ganesh says 1. Okay. Vivo says 4. Sukanya says 2. Let's look at the answer, students. I want everyone to make an attempt. Under participate cheyali. Idi under kosam. Okay. Inka these sessions are for your preparation for your exam. So we encourage you to make an attempt. Encouragement chala important, students. You should all feel comfortable in making an attempt. Tappelina, no problem. All right, let's look at the answer, students. It's 1. V square by R, or P is equal to I square R. Okay, or P is equal to V into I. Nalgulo, first option is correct. V square by R is right. If it is in terms of I, it should be P is equal to I square R. Okay, కానీ ఇక్కడ I square by R ఇచ్చారు. All right. సో తప్పు వెళ్తే నోట్ చేసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ రివిజన్ లాగా చేసుకోవచ్చు, ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ రౌండ్ లాగా ఫాస్ట్ రివైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్ రైట్, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్, స్టూడెంట్స్, బికాస్ కొత్త వీడియోస్ వస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు అలర్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. హియర్ P is equal to V into I. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So V into I is V by R. V into V by R, V square by R. Three resistors of resistances 3 ohms, 4 ohms, and 6 ohms are connected in parallel. The combination is connected to a battery of 8 volts. The current in the circuit is 3, 4, and 6 are connected in parallel, students. Combination is connected to 8 volts. Parallel connect chesi 8 volts connect chesaru, current adutunaru. Parallel చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది రెసిస్టెన్స్? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R effective. R effective వచ్చాక I'll use V is equal to IR. alright, స్ట్రాటజీ ఇలా ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ R effective కనుక్కుంటాను. R effective కనుక్కున్నాక V is equal to IR యూస్ చేస్తాను, అప్లై చేస్తాను. alright, so let's see how do we do. It's 6 ampere, students. Make an attempt. 6. Okay, we will solve it now. You'll see how. Here it is, students. R effective, R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, which implies 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. If I take LCM and simplify further, I'll get R equivalent as 12 by 9, which is 4 by 3. Now I'll use Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. V by R equivalent 8 by 4 by 3. 8 by 4 by 3. 8 ones 4 ones, 4 twos. 2 into 3, 6 amperes. Is the solution okay, students? The ones you were asking how. Rakesh, is it okay? Is it okay for everyone? కొంతమంది రైట్ వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్, కొంతమందికి తప్పు వచ్చింది. ఐ థింక్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ రాంగ్ ఇన్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. Two aspects of the problem, students, always remember idea and calculation. Idea వచ్చడం చాలా మంచిది, చాలా గ్రేట్. కానీ ఐడియా వచ్చిన తర్వాత calculation is very important. To arrive at the right answer, calculation is also equally important. All right, let's go for the next one, students. A wire of resistance R is cut into n equal parts and twisted together to make it a single wire. Calculate the resistance of the resulting wire. అంటే ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేశారు చూపిస్తారు. Okay, make an attempt. You think about it. ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. I'll solve it for you, but you first think. Oh, excellent. Ananta says 4, Aishwari says 4, Sangeetana says 4, Fatima says 1, Saidija says 4. Okay. They are connected in parallel, students. Okay, that's a hint. They are connected in parallel. N equal parts are twisted together in such a way that they are connected in parallel actually. ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేయండి. Yeah, 4. Good. I want everyone to make an attempt. తప్పెళ్ళినా absolutely okay. నాకు 1, 2, 3, 4 ఏది ఇచ్చినా okay, but ఇవాళ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తే you will have confidence in making an attempt, students. Confidence important. Okay, let's look at the answer. It's 4, absolutely right. 4 is absolutely right, students. Under 4 చెప్పారు. Excellent. Highly appreciative. Very good. Let's go for the next one. Similar question. ఆలోచించండి. A uniform pair of resistance 50 ohms is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are now connected in parallel. Then the equivalent resistance of the combination is. ఇప్పుడే చూసారు మీరు, ఫార్ములా చూసారు, మళ్ళీ ఫార్ములా చూపించమంటారా ఒకసారి? ఇది ఫార్ములా ఫర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్, n ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ని r బై n స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు 50 ohms ఇచ్చారు, 5 పార్ట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. n is equal to 5, r is equal to 50. n is equal to 5, r is equal to 50, students. Raishwari says 1, Sukanya says 2. Is it 2 answer or 2 option? Second option, Sukanya. Gayatri says 3. Abhigna says option 1. Okay. Okay, I'm getting 1. Fatima says 3, 250. Okay, in the previous case, we got r by n square as the answer, right? So here, what is happening is, I've got a resistor. This is cut into 5 equal parts. And this is 50. 50 is equal to 5 into r. So r is equal to small r. Rx is equal to 10. Okay. Oh, you all got the answer. Okay, some of you have given other answers. Okay, let's look at the answer first. That's better. It's 2 ohms, students. It's 2 ohms. In the previous case, we had r by n square as the answer. How? R was cut into n equal parts. And they were connected in parallel. In this case, 50 is cut into 5 equal parts. So 50 by 5 square. 50 by 25, which is 2. Yes, Saiteja is right, 1. Is it okay, students? Two ohms is the answer, students. Rakesh, 2 ohms is the answer. First option. 50 by 5 square. 5 square is 25. 50 by 25 is 2. All right, let's go for the next final question, students. Here is the last question, or I have a couple of questions. That's it. With this, math session will begin, and then followed by English. That's also very important, students. Every subject is equally important. How many 160 ohm resistors should be kept in parallel to carry 5 amperes in a circuit with a 200 volt battery? It's a tricky question, students. Manchi question is. Make an attempt. How many 160 ohm resistors should be kept in parallel to carry 5 amperes in a circuit with a 200 volt battery? Any, let us suppose there are n resistors only Anpundam. Ananta says 3, okay. Saiteja says 3, Abhigna says 3, Fatima says 3, Jyoti says 3. Okay. Your calculations are going wrong, or is your idea wrong? Option 3, right? So it's 5. Okay. Sukanya says 2. Varsha says 2. All right. Okay, further students, I want everyone to answer. Idea వచ్చే ఉంటుంది మీకు? Yeah, wait for a minute, let everyone answer, then we'll go for the discussion. All right. Ananta says 4. Is 4 option or 4 answer? Uday Ganesh says 2. Second option. Archana says 2. All right, make an attempt, students. We'll discuss this question. With this, we'll wind up physics. Then you'll have mathematics and English. Equally important subjects. Just for option 4. Okay, I'll show you what to do. See, let there be n resistors. Answer is 4, students. Second option. Let there be n resistors. So 160 by n is each one. Right? If there are n resistors of 160, their resistance will be in parallel would be 160 by n square. Just a second. 160 by n square, right? Students, are you all? Yeah. Those who have got 2 is absolutely right. Those who have got other option, I'm trying to explain, students. Try to understand this question. I've got 160. How many 160 ohm resistors he's talking about? So let that be n. N 160 ohm resistors, let us assume. N 160 ohm resistors. Now that n 160 by n will be my parallel combination resistance. All right. Now this, how many volts battery is it? 200, which is equal to 5 fours. 4 ones, 4 fours. So n is equal to 4. Just simple simplification. 160 by n is my equivalent resistance in parallel. If I have got n resistors of R, ఇలా n resistors ఉంటే equivalent resistance ఎంత ఉంటుంది parallel combination లో? R by n. All right. If this is okay for you, please type yes in the chat box. We'll go for mathematics and chemistry. Sorry, English. If you have understood this, please type yes in the chat box. All right, thank you, students. So parallel combination law, R by N untundi. I apply Ohm's law. From there, simple calculation will give me N is equal to 4. Pretty fast, pretty fast. Thank you, students. Madam, I request you to take over, and over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone, students. Now we will start with the maths. Yes. So welcome to free online coaching for TSRJC CET 2024. So you also know it as SSC Revision and TSRJC CET coaching. And it is conducted by Jatadhara Educational Technology, right? And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So in this today maths, we are going to discuss some questions under Venn diagrams, okay, which is involving numbers. So our first one is, in a class of 30 students, 20 play kabaddi, 15 play kho-kho. Each child plays at least one game, right? So let us represent kabaddi and kho-kho players with Venn diagrams. So we are taking this is how the Venn diagram should be represented. So kho-kho, it is 15 and kabaddi, it is 20. There are 3 regions in this Venn diagram. So these are the students who play both kho-kho and kabaddi. And this is the region where students who play only kabaddi. And this is the region where students who play only kho-kho, right? So in the class, there are 30 students and each child plays at least one game. So kabaddi plus kho-kho is equals to, that is 20 plus 15, which is 35. But there are only 30 students, right? Total students in the mandi 30 students. Kani manak 35 vastunnaru total aadevaallu, right? This means 5 students play both. So 5 students evaraithe extra 5 evaraithe unnaro vallu rendu games aadtunnaru, kabaddi and kho-kho. So they must be written in the overlap. So ee overlap edaithe undo, who play both kho-kho and kabaddi, is this overlap. So there you have to represent the number 5. Okay. So there are 15 kho-kho players, of which 5 are common. So 15 minus 5 is equals to 10 will play only kho-kho, right? And coming to the kabaddi, there are 20 kabaddi players and there are 5 members in common. So 20 minus 5, which is 15, play only kabaddi. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood how the Venn diagrams are plotted. Yes? Did you understand, students? Let me know in the chat section. Yes. Yes. Thank you, students, for confirming. Let us move to the next one. So let us answer some questions. Okay. Thank you, students. So now let us answer some questions. So in a class of 45 students, students play at least one of kho-kho kabaddi games. Okay. So if you see here, kho-kho is played by only 17 members. Kabaddi, it is by 20 members, and both kabaddi and kho-kho are played by 8 students, right? So our first question is, how many play kho-kho? Kho-kho enta mandi aadtunnaru? Yes, Chaitanya saying it as 17. Sukanya says it 25. Yes, we shall see now. Yes, it is 17 plus 8, which is 25 play kho-kho. 17 is not the correct answer, but 17 eppudu correct answer. Eppudaithe question lo only kho-kho maatrame evaru aadtunnaru annappudu meer 17 rayali. So ikkada em adigadu, overall ga kho-kho enta mandi aadtunnaru. So that means here 8 common members should be also included. So 17 plus 8, which is 25 play kho-kho. Let us move to the next one. How many play both the games? How many play both the games? Yes, very good, students. Very good. Sai Teja, just correct yourself. I am asking how many play both the games. Okay, we shall see. Yes, it is 8. So both the games are played by 8 students, right? So overlap edaithe undo, that is the number which represents the students playing both the games. Let us move to the next one. How many play kabaddi? Yes, how many play kabaddi? Yes, make it fast, students. Very good, very good. Somaya saying it as 28. Yes, we shall see. Yes, 8 plus 20, which is 28. So, kabaddi is played by 28 students. I hope all of you have understood. Let us move to the next question. In a class of 50 students, students have to choose at least one of dancing or painting. So, only dancing is made by 15 students and only painting is selected by 19 students, and dancing and painting both common, it is 16 students, right? So first question is, how many choose dance? Yes, how many chose dance? Be quick, students. Very good. So many are saying it as 31, almost everyone. Yes, yes, very good, students. Your answer is right. So 15 plus 16 is equals to 31 students chose dance. Next, how many chose both? How many chose both? Very good, students. Yes, it is 16. So dancing and painting. Commonly 16 students chose dancing and painting. So our answer is 16. Next one, how many chose painting? Yes, how many chose painting? Very good, 35. Good, we shall see. Yes, it is 16 plus 19, which is 35 chose painting. Very good. Let us move to the next one. In a class of 20 students, students are given an option to choose football or cricket. Okay, so this is how they have chosen. So 7 students did not choose any game as it was optional, right? So 3 students play only football. Cricket, it is played only by 2 students. And commonly football and cricket is chosen by 8 students. And 7 students are have 7 students as select cheskole game ni. Okay. So now let us see to the questions. How many chose football? Yes. How many chose football? Yes. Very good. Almost everyone is saying 11. Yes, 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. Very good, students. Very good. Uday, Ganesh, Spandana, S. Varsha, Sidra, Fatima, Archana, Jyoti. Very good. Gayatri, Jyoshna. Very good, students. So 11 is the correct answer. Next, how many chose both? Chaitanya. Once check at your end, Chaitanya. Once check at your end. Yes. Yes, very good. So answer is 8. Let us move to the next question. How many chose cricket? How many chose cricket? So it is 8 plus 2. It's coming. Okay, Chaitanya. Yes. Very good, students. It is 8 plus 2, which is 10. Right? Let us move to the next one. Now, let us discuss some little different questions. Okay? So, that first one, in a class of 35 students, students have to select at least one of the 3 games, that is football, cricket, and tennis. So, if you see here, one second. If you see here, this number 2, which is in between red, yellow, and blue color, right? Blue circles. So this number indicates students who play all the 3 games. So 2 students play all the 3 games, right? Next, this 3 represents, it is between yellow and blue. That means 3 students play both football and cricket. Next, coming to 4. So this number indicates students who play both cricket and tennis, but not football. Okay, and next coming to 5, it is between red and 5. So the students are playing both football and tennis, but not the cricket. Okay. Next, coming to this 8, this indicates students who play only cricket. ఈ 8 అనేది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే క్రికెట్ ఆడుతున్నారో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. 6 is students who play only football, and here 7 is students who play only tennis, right? So this is somewhat difficult. So let us try to answer some questions. So in a class of 40 students, students have to select at least one of the 3 games: football, cricket, and tennis. So how many play all the 3 games? All the 3 games, ఎంతమంది ఆడుతున్నారు? Sai Teja, just check it. Yes, very good, very good. So answer is 3 students. This is all the 3 games. This represents all the 3 games who are playing, right? So 3 students. Let us move to the next question. How many play cricket? One second. Yes, how many play cricket and tennis but not football? So cricket is represented with blue circle, tennis is represented with red circle, which is between blue and red circle. That only you have to consider. Very good. Spandana, please just check it. Football kaadu, only cricket and tennis entamandi adutunnaru. Yes, we shall see. It is 4, right? So only cricket and tennis, it is played by 4 students. Now, how many play cricket and football? Cricket and football. Okay, it is already displayed. So 4 plus 3, which is 7. Okay. So because this 3 is common, so 3 students ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో 3 games ఆడుతున్నారు. So football and cricket ఎవరు ఆడుతున్నారు అన్నప్పుడు మనం 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 7. Let us move to the next one. How many play football and tennis? Football and tennis. ఇక్కడ నాట్ క్రికెట్ అనే చెప్పలేదు కాబట్టి think and answer. How many play football and tennis? So it is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay. Let us move to the next one. How many play cricket and tennis? Manaki with football include cheyoddu arrange cheppaledu kabatti you can include the common 3 also. Okay. How many play cricket and tennis? It is play normally it is 4. And other 3 students are also playing, right? So 4 plus 3, which is 7. Very good students, very good. Let us move to the next one. How many do not play football? How many do not play football? Yes? Can you answer this? How many do not play football? Yes. We should not include football circle. So it is 8, 4, and 10, which is 22 do not play football. So ఈ yellow circle లో ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాళ్ళు రారు. సో మిగిలిన దాంట్లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని మాత్రం మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి. Okay, very good. Everyone is doing excellent, students. Very good. Almost everyone has kept 22 as the answer. Let us move to the next one. One second. So how many do not play tennis? How many do not play tennis? You should not include this red circle. So 6 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. Yes, very good. So it is 18. Very good, students. Next, how many do not play cricket? You should not include this blue circle. 6 plus 5 plus 10. Very good. Very good. I am getting the answers. 21. Very good. Yes, it is 6 plus 5 plus 10, which is 21. How many play football and tennis but not cricket? That means only yellow and red circle which are included. So here you are having blue circle also. So this 3 is not included. Only red and yellow is this part. Only football and tennis. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, it is 5. Now let us answer another question. So in a class of 30 students, one second, students. In a class of 50 students, students have to select at least one of the 3 subjects. Math, physics, economics. Details given below. So these are the details, how they have selected, how the students have selected. So how many selected maths? So maths ఎంత మంది select చేసుకున్నారు overall గా? So many are saying it as 22 and I got one answer as 13. Yes, we shall see. It is, so maths ఎంత మంది select చేసుకున్నారు? Yellow circle లో ఏవేవి ఉన్నాయి? 9, 6, 4, 3, right? So 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3, which are 22 students. Very good. Almost everyone has said 22 as the answer. Let us move to the next question. How many selected physics? Only blue line is included. Right? How many selected physics? So 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11. Yes. So 25. Very good. So 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11, which is 25. Okay. How many selected economics? So if you see economics, which is in the red circle, 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10, which is 27. Let us move to the next question. How many selected maths but not physics? How many selected maths but not physics? That means this 3 and 4 has selected physics, but this 6 has not selected the physics. So maths select చేసుకున్నాడు. So it may be 9 plus 6. Yes, it is 15 students. Very good. So many have answered it as 15. Very good. Let us move to the next question. How many selected physics but not economics? How many selected physics but not economics? So physics 11 and here you are having 3. Yes, so it is 11 plus 3. Very good. 14. Yes, 14 students. Let us move to the next one. How many selected physics but not mathematics? Right? How many selected physics but not mathematics? So it is 11 plus 7. It is 18. So 18 students. Let us move to the next one. How many selected maths but not economics? How many selected maths but not economics? This red line should not be included. So it is 9 plus 3, which is 12. Next, how many selected economics but not physics? Yes, everyone is doing very good. How many selected economics but not physics? Yes, it is 6 plus 10, which is 16 students. Yes, it is 16 students. Let us move to the next one. How many selected economics but not maths? Maths select cheskoledu, but economics select cheskunnaru. So it is 10 plus 7, which is 17 students. Let us move to the next question. How many selected maths and physics but not economics? Maths and physics but not economics. So it is 9 plus 3 plus 11. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. So how many selected maths and physics but not economics? It is about the overlapping part. So answer is 3 students, right? How many selected maths and economics but not physics? How many selected both maths and economics but not physics? So if you can see here, the common students who have selected both the subjects. Very good, very good. So 6 is the answer, right? This. Let us move to the next one. How many selected physics and economics but not maths? So physics and economics. So this is where maths are not included. So it is 7 students, right? So how many did not select maths? So this is the another question. In a class of 55 students, 50 students have selected at least one of the 3 subjects, maths, physics, economics. 5 students did not select any subjects. Details are given below. So how many did not select maths? Yes? How many did not select maths? So if you see here, this yellow circle evaithe unnayo, those are not included. This 10 plus 7 plus 11 and this 5, right? So it is 33 students. Okay, it is 33 students. Let us move to the next question. So you can see here another way. It is 5 plus 10 plus 7 plus 11. Let us move to the next question. How many did not select physics? How many did not select physics? So in blue circle evaraithe unnaro, those who are selected physics. So ever select cheskoledu? This 9, 6, 10 and 5. So you have to add it. 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5, which is 30. Right? Yes, very good. Let us move to the next question. How many did not select economics? So red circle evaraithe unnayo, those should be not included. So 9 plus 3 plus 11 and plus 5, which is 28. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is true? Yes? Which of the following is true? Yes, please think and answer. Yes. So many are saying it as 2 and 1. Let us see. Yes, it is option 2. So n of null set. So that means the number of elements in the null set is 0. So option 2 is true. Let us move to the next one. If A is a set of A, B, C, D, then number of subsets of A are. So if you are having a n elements in a set, then the number of subsets can be 2 power n. So count the elements. Yes, very good students, very good. All of you have said the correct answer. Yes, it is 16. So a set having n members has 2 power n subsets. As the set has 4 members, 2 power n is equals to 2 power 4, which is 16 subsets, right? Let us move to the next one. Cardinal number of the set A is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 is. Yes, cardinal number of the set. That means number of elements in the set. Yes, very good students. Andaru 1 ne cheptunnaru, option 1. Very good. Yes, it is option 1, absolutely right answer. So cardinal number of a set is the number of elements in a set. So in the set A, you are having 5 elements. So n of A is equals to 5. Let us move to the next one. A is equals to, it is having a set. A is a set of COVID 19, 20, 20. And B is a set of COVID 19, 20, 21. Then B minus A is. B minus A is. Yes, B minus A is. You do it on a paper. B minus A ante common, B and A lo common ఉన్న terms cancel చేసి B లో ఏదైతే మిగులుతుందో దాన్ని మాత్రమే రాయాలి. Right? So many have said it as 2. Let us check it. Yes, option 2 is absolutely right answer. So let us see how. So given set, these are the 2 given sets. So B minus A kabatti first B tarvata A. So anni common cancel cheste manaku B lo migiledi enti only 2021. Right? So B lo em migulutundo adi maatrame rayali. So it is 2021. B minus A is a set of 2021. Let us move to the next one. If A is equals to set A, B is equals to set A comma B, C is equals to set A, B, C, then A intersection B intersection C is. Yes, please do it. Cheyandi, book paina cheyandi. A intersection B intersection C is. Very good students. Very good. Yes, it is absolutely option 1. So given A is a set of A, B is a set of A comma B, C is a set of A comma B comma C. So A intersection B intersection C is, if you see here in the 3 sets, the common term is A. Right? So it is a set A. Let us move to the next one. The cardinal number of set A is equals to 1, 2, 4 is. Yes, the cardinal number of set A is equals to 1, 2, 4 is. Very good. Yes. So many are saying it is option 4. And whoever has set option 2 and 3, please check it. Cardinal number is number of elements in the set. Yes, it is option 4. Option 4 is absolutely right answer. Very good. Okay, Joshna. It is 3 number. Okay. So your answer is right. So the number of distinct elements in a finite set is called its cardinal number. Let us move to the next question. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to 4, 5, 6, then A intersection B is. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to 4, 5, 6, then A intersection B is. Very good, very good. You are so fast, very good students. Pranavi, please check your answer. I am asking A intersection B. Chaitanya, Spandana, okay. Very good. Yes. Yes, it is absolutely option 3. So it is A intersection B. The only common elements are 4 and 5. Right? Let us move to the next one. From the following Venn diagram, B minus A is. From the following diagram, B minus A is. Please try it. So you are having 4, 5 in common. Yes. B minus A. Very good. So many are saying it as option 3. Yes, it is option 3, 6 and 7. Right? So from the given Venn diagram, if you write a set A, it is 1, 2, 3 and the common 4, 5. And for B, it is 6, 7 and also common 4, 5. Right? So when you minus B minus A, okay. So you will be left, you have to write only the B elements. A minus B anappudu A elements rayali. Common cancel chesi evaithe left over untayo aa A elements maatrame rayali. So B minus A kabatti B elements maatrame rayali. Common evaithe cancel ayipothe cancel chesi common lenivi rayali. Okay, so it is 6 and 7. Let us move to the next one. If A is equals to A, B, C, D, then the number of subsets for A is. We have seen this. If A is equals to A, B, C, D, then the number of subsets for A is. Very good. So it is 2 power n formula, where n is the number of elements in the set. Yes, very good. It is option 3, 16. So A is the set of A, B, C, D. So the number of elements are 4. So the subsets, number of subsets A is equals to 2 power n, which is 2 power 4. So answer is 16. That is option 3. Let us move to the next one. From the diagram, estimate sum of elements in A union B intersection C. From the diagram, estimate sum of elements in A union B intersection C. Yes, do it carefully. First A union B intersection C chesi, tarvata వాటి sum find out cheyali. Yes, I'll give you some time to do this. Sum of the elements when you find A union B intersection C. First A set lo emunnai, B set lo emunnai raskondi, C set lo emunnai raskondi. A union B cheyandi, tarvata ఆ set ni intersection C cheyandi. Yes, I'm getting different answers. 3, 2. Yes, option 3, Abhignya. Okay. Yes, we shall see it. Or I will give you a few seconds for others also to try. Yes, so many are saying it as option 3. Very good. So our correct answer is option 3. Very good, students. So let us see how. First, you have to write A union B. So A union B, these two circles, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Okay. And A union B intersection C. In C, you are having 2, 3, 4, and 10, right? So it is the common elements are. So the common elements are only 2, 3, and 4, right? So sum of the A union B intersection C. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 9. So find chesaka what is sum answer what adigadu, right? So that is option 9. Sorry, answer 9, which is option 3. Let us move to the next one. I hope everyone has understood. Evaraithe tappu chepparo, just recheck. How many subsets the set P 0, 1, 2, 3 will have? Yes, this also we have done already. Just you have to apply the formula. Subset P is equals to 2 power n. Yes, it is option 2, that is 16. So given set P is having 4 elements, 0, 1, 2, 3. So number of subsets is 2 power n, which is 2 power 4, 16. Let us move to the next question. If n of a minus b is equals to 5 and n of a intersection b is equals to 2, then n of a is equal to. For this, you are having a formula. If n of a minus b is equals to 5 and n of a intersection b is equals to 2, then n of a is equal to. Yes? Pranay, is it a fourth option or 4 answer? Okay, we shall see. It is option 4. Very good. So the formula is n of a is equals to n of a minus b plus n of a intersection b. So it is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So n of a is equals to 7. Okay, Pranay. Let us move to the next question. If a and b are 2 sets, then a minus b intersection b minus a is. If a and b are 2 sets, then a minus b intersection b minus a is. You can say it very easily. Yes, option 4, Joshna, very good. Abhigna, Varsha, option 4, very good. Ifra, Fatima. Please check. Yes, so many are saying it as option 4. Yes, it is option 4. That is a null set. So if you consider, let us consider A is a set of numbers from 1 to 7 and B is a set of numbers from 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So A minus B is the only elements of A which are not in common and B minus A is the only elements of B which are not in common, right? So when you take the intersection of both, there are no common elements. So it is obviously a null set. Yes? Let us move to the next one. The shaded area in the figure is. The shaded area in the figure is. Yes? Yes, students, the shaded area in the figure is. So many are saying it as 2. Yes, it is option 1. A intersection B union C. Right? Let us move to the next question. So if you see from the Venn diagram, the shaded region is A intersection B and a union of A intersection C. This is the A intersection C and that is a union of A intersection B. So it is A intersection B union C. Right? Let us move to the next question. So if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C is equals to 4, 5, 6, then A intersection B is. So what is A intersection B? So if you see the common elements of A and B, it is 4, 5, 6, which represents the set. Yes, absolutely. It is option 3. So it is C, right? So if you see, the common elements are 4, 5, 6, which represents the set C. Let us move to the next question. If A and B are subsets of a universal set mu, then A intersection B complement is. If A and B are subsets of a universal set mu, then A intersection B complement is. So many are saying it as 3. It is option 1, that is A minus B. So mu is a number from 1 to 15. Let mu is a number from 1 to 15. And A is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So B complement will be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right? So A intersection B complement will be You have to do the intersection between these both. So it is 4, 6, 8 and 10. So now if you verify the options, so if you do A minus B, you will be getting 4, 6, 8 and 10, which is A intersection B complement, right? Let us move to the next one. If n of A is equals to 15, n of B is equals to 10, n of A intersection B is equals to 5, then n of A union B is equal to. We have a formula for this. Yesterday we have seen that formula also. Please make it fast. For having n of A, n of B and n of A intersection B, you have to find only n of A union B. So I'm getting the answers as 2 and 3. Let us see. Yes, it is option 3, 20. So let us see how. So the formula is n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So 15 plus 10 minus 5, which is 20, which is n of A union B. So option 3 is the right answer. Whoever have answered option 3, very good. Let us move to the next one. So if A is subset of B, B is subset of C, then A intersection B union C is equal to. Yes, A is subset of B and B is subset of C. Then A intersection B union C is equal to. Option 4. Please make it fast. Yes, I got one answer as correct, Ifra Fatima. Yes, it is option, it is option 4. So who has answered option 4? Was Vaishali, Varsha. Yes, very good. So the answer is option 4. So if you see here, A is subset B, B is subset C, and A is subset of, that means from this you can say is A is subset of C also, right? So A intersection B will give you A, which is subset C, and B union C is equal to C, right? Right? So A intersection B union C is equals to A union C, which is C. Let us move to the next one. If A is equals to X, which is defined as X belongs to natural numbers, 3 is less than or equal to X, less than or equal to 6. That means X is the value between 3 and 6. Then A is equal to. So here X is defined as a natural number and it lies between 3 and 6, including 3 and 6. Then my set is represented as. Yes, so many are saying it as 2. Very good. Yes, it is option 2. That is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next one. If A is equals to where X is defined as an even natural number less than 12 and B is a set where X is a prime number less than 12, then A intersection B is. So less than 12, not included 12 kabatti 12 lopu unna even natural numbers raskol first A ki. A set. Tarvata B set lo prime numbers which are less than 12 raskoni appudu you have to do the intersection. Okay, so many are saying it as 2. Yes, it is option 4. So let us see how. So A is a set of even natural number less than 12. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 12 is not included because only less than 12. Next, X is a prime number less than 11. Less than 12. So it is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So if you intersect this both, that means only common term is 2. So it is A intersection B is equals to 2. So option 4 is the right answer. Gayatri has said the right answer. Gayatri, Joshna. Very good. So let us move to the next question. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, then A minus B is equals to. Please make it fast. A minus B. So eliminate the common terms. Write the elements which are left over in A. Yes, option 3. Everyone is saying option 3. Very good. It is the correct answer. So if you see here, the common terms are 4, 5. So the only leftover terms are 1, 2, 3. So A minus B is 1, 2, 3. Let us move to the next one. Among the following, a null set is where n is the set of natural numbers. Among the following, a null set is. This we have seen yesterday also. Yes. Yes, it is option 3. So x square plus 1 is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. So x is not set, right? Let us move to the next one. If A is subset of B, then A minus B is equal to. If A is subset of B, A minus B is equal to. Yes? Yes, it is option 2. That is null set. Let us move to the next one. If n of A is equals to 5, n of B is equals to 5, n of A union B is equals to 8, then n of A intersection B is equal to. We have a formula, n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Yes, Sonia is saying it as 1. Yes, it is option 1, that is 2. So if you substitute in this formula, sorry, the question is wrong, I guess. So it is n of A intersection B is equals to 8. You have to find n of A union B. So it is 5 plus 5 minus 8, which is 2. Let us move to the next one. So if A is equals to x, which is defined as x belongs to natural numbers, 1 less than x less than 10, then n of A is equal to. So here answer is also displayed. It is option 3, which is 8. So n of A, number of elements in A is 8. Let us move to the next one. Identify the disjoint sets among the following. Identify the disjoint sets among the following. Please make it fast, students. Yes? Yes, it is option 1. A minus B and B minus A are the disjoint sets. Because A minus B intersection B minus A is equals to null set. That's why they both are disjoint sets. Next, if A is subset of B, B is subset of C, then A intersection B union C is. Yes? Yes, students. It is option 1, that is A. So if you see here, so A is also a subset of C. So A intersection B is A. And here also it is A intersection C, which is A. So A intersection B union C will be A union A, which is A. Let us move to the next one. If A is a set defined as x belongs to natural numbers, which is in between 2 and 7, including 2 and 7, then A is a set of 2 and 7 is also included. I will give you only 15 seconds to answer. Yes, very good, very good. So it is option 3, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Because it is included between 2 and 7, right? Next one. If A is equals to prime numbers less than 20 and B is equals to whole numbers less than 10, then A minus B intersection B minus A is. Yes, please make it fast. If A is equals to prime numbers less than 20, B is equals to whole numbers less than 10, then A minus B intersection B minus A. First A lo prime numbers 20 kana takku unnavi raskondi. Tarvata B whole numbers which are less than 10 you have to write. Don't include 10 and don't include 20 in the prime numbers, okay? Then you find A minus B, B minus A, and 2 intersection. Yes? Yes, we shall do it. It is pi. It is a null set. So see here, A is the prime numbers less than 20 and B is the whole numbers less than 10. So if you remember, A minus B intersection B minus A is always a null set. Okay, so మీరు మళ్ళీ స్పెషల్ గా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. A minus B intersection B minus A is always a null set. Okay. So with this, we are done with the sets concept in maths. సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా ఇంకా చెప్పండి, ఇంకెవరైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అప్లై చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటే క్లాస్మేట్స్ అందరికీ చెప్పండి, ఇలా జటాధర ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ టెక్నాలజీ నుంచి ఫ్రీ ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నామని చెప్పి. So by using Zoom also you can log in, and also you are having a facility of a live session in the YouTube channel. ఈ లింక్ ఏదైతే మీరు ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారో జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ వినడానికి, సో దాన్ని మీరు మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్, ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, క్లాస్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్లో షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇంకెవరైనా అప్లై చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే, సో 16th March is the last date for the application of TSRJC, right? So be hurry and apply to the exam. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే తొందరగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని మేము ఏవైతే డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నామో మీకు SSC ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి కూడా ఒక రివిజన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ టెల్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో టు ఆల్ ద క్లాస్మేట్స్. ఓకే, మీ 10th క్లాస్మేట్స్ అందరికీ చెప్పండి, మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్ జటాద్రా ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ టెక్నాలజీ. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఇక్కడ ఏవైనా కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ మీరు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి వెళ్ళి అందులో ఈ వీడియోస్ అన్ని ఇంకోసారి రిపీట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అక్కడ కూడా అర్థం కాకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకవేళ అడిగితే అప్పుడు కూడా మేము క్లారిఫై చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం, రైట్? అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు టెల్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అబౌట్ దిస్ కోచింగ్, ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్, since it is a free of cost. So tell to your classmates to join. Yes, thank you everyone, students. Again, tomorrow we will be having the class same at 7:30 p.m. Okay, please don't miss it. And inform your friends also. Again, we will meet tomorrow from 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m.